The suspense over the next Delhi Chief Minister has finally come to an end, with the Bharatiya Janata Party announcing the first-time MLA Rekha Gupta as Delhi's new Chief Minister. Rekha Gupta, remember, will be the fourth woman Chief Minister of Delhi after Sushma Swaraj, Sheila Dikshit and Atishi. She emerged victorious from Shalimar Bagh Assembly constituency, ending Aam Aadmi Party's 12-year dominance from that particular seat. Rekha Gupta will be the lone woman Chief Minister among the states being currently ruled by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Meanwhile, Vijender Gupta has been selected as the Assembly Speaker. Now, after her name was confirmed, Rekha Gupta thanked the Prime Minister and BJP President JP Nadda for electing her as the Chief Minister. Remember, the grand oath-taking ceremony will be held at the Ramlila Maidan tomorrow at 12 p.m. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Pragya, who had been tracking that crucial meeting that took place at the BJP headquarters, and she's been tracking all the developments since this entire process began today. Pragya, finally we have a name, and that name is Rekha Gupta. What more are you hearing from there? What are the reasons behind the choice of this new Chief Minister by the BJP?
Well, she is a veteran BJP leader is what I can tell you. She had been 3-time councillor and a mayor, and she knows how municipal corporation work. Remember, many of the seats have been won by the BJP on pretext on local issues like cleanliness and garbage cleaning, dirty water. These are the issues that Rekha Gupta knows very well. And in fact, she had been General Secretary of the state unit, and she had contested elections earlier as well for the assembly elections. Unsuccessfully, but this time she won the election, and she had been a DUSU president. Since time of ABVP, she had been with the party. She was elected DUSU president. She was member of the national executive as well. So she has donned many hats, and she has experience of the administration, of how party works, what party thinks, what party ideology is, and how to ensure that what task is given by the top brass and how to deliver that task. She has done that all, and this is probably why when we said in the evening that experience will matter, Rekha Gupta is one that fits all that criteria. Rekha Gupta is the first woman BJP Chief Minister, in fact women Chief Minister of BJP ruled state for that matter, and this is a huge accolade, and BJP has, by doing so, has also sent a message to voter women base. Remember, women have been voting for the BJP time and again, and many of the opposition party have been asking when will we see a BJP women chief minister, and whether the BJP was ready, in fact, to have a women chief minister or not. This time, the answer has been given to all of them. Delhi now has a woman chief minister, Rekha Gupta, obviously a very senior and a very, I would say, a mature politician and an administrator as well. She knows Delhi inside out, and she has worked from the grassroots level, from the Delhi Student Union to municipality and now to the assembly.
All right, Pragya, thanks very much for joining us at the moment and getting us all of those details. Of course, let's also, ladies and gentlemen, listen in to what Rekha Gupta had to say after her name was announced.
रेखा जी, पहला रिएक्शन, कांग्रेचुलेशन ऑन सीएम, बहुत बड़ा काम आपको पार्टी ने दिया है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
धन्यवाद अपने शीर्ष नेतृत्व को, आदरणीय मोदी जी को, दिल्ली की जनता को।
कितना बड़ा दायित्व आपको दिया गया है पार्टी द्वारा, आपको लगता है जिम्मेदारी बहुत है? अगर दायित्व भी दिया गया तो जिम्मेदारी भी बहुत है।
बिल्कुल जिम्मेदारी है, बिल्कुल।
पहला काम आप लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? यमुना का सफाई तो शुरू हो गई है रेखा जी?
दिल्ली के लिए जो मोदी जी का विजन है उसको पूरा करना ही हमारा सर्वप्रथम उद्देश्य है।